Hi, I'm Dave from the UK Family Vlog channel, and today we've got a big parcel, and this parcel is very much needed in our house. We're trying to have a deep clean of the whole house for family and friends that are going to be coming over for Christmas and New Year. However, the most troublesome item to clean in the whole house has to be our carpets. Our carpets is crawled over by our baby Darcy, who's just about getting crawling, so there's sick everywhere, accidents happen. We've got our 3-year-old daughter who's still potty training, so we have a few accidents there. And this carpet absorbs all the smells from our pet dog, Toby, our pet cat, Poppy, and never mind Ryan, when he plays football, traipses all these mud throughout the house. I'm going to go and show you some of the problems we have, but I need something that'll help us to actually get these carpets as clean as possible. I think this is going to be very useful. It's the Rug Doctor.
Hi, I'm Emma, and we have been sent a lovely machine from the Rug Doctor and lots of lovely products to go with it.
Yeah, first thing, it's a bit of a beast. It's a big thing. It kind of reminds me of a Doctor Who villain outside the box. But the handy thing is with it, we can sort of pull the handle down, ease storage. We can put this under the stairs because in our house we do struggle with storage. And you'll see the layout of our house is quite strange compared to other houses. So this is going to be very useful in this household.
Well, with us having 5 children, a cat and a dog running through the house, all the products that we have are going to be coming very handy, as well as deep cleaning.
Yeah, it's alright having the deep clean machine, but you need the other products to actually get the magic to work after this thing. So what have we got?
We have the spot and stain remover, and now this is going to be really useful on different spills that have been put through our carpet lots of times. It's great on chocolates, beverages, crayon.
Oh yeah, crayon. We'll test that one out.
Yeah.
I know there's some crayon marks in this house.
Food, anything you can think of, even through football, muddy shoes that get traipsed through the house too.
Yeah, but a special thing for the football boots, for the son who plays football, doesn't take off his boots or clean them, but walks through the walks through the door into the living room, all over the carpet. We've got the high foot traffic cleaner. And this is designed to spray on the areas. It sort of, well, raises up the soil, the dirt, and leave it for 10 minutes, then you're ready to go with the Rug Doctor itself. So it's kind of used before you go. We'll show these in a bit more detail in a bit.
And we also have the spot and stain remover wipes. Now these are great because obviously with Darcy crawling about, she can have little sticky accidents through a milk, so we just get a wipe out to give it a little clean, and that will help to clean the carpet better than baby wipes and bits of other sprays and detergents.
Also, for the Rug Doctor itself, we have a solution that we mix in with warm water that goes in the machine itself. So hopefully this gets all our stains, our marks, and just gives our carpet a deep clean, which it needs.
It's going to be great.
Just want to point out as well, with us having a cat, the spot and stain remover, this is supposed to be quite good on little wheeze and little accidents, because we had Poppy, and when we first had her she was a bit timid and she would go to every corner in the house and do her business, and to be really honest, we've struggled and struggled to get them stains and the smells out of the carpet. So I'm looking forward and trying this to see if it gets rid of them.
We also have the actual detergent that goes into the machine. Now this can be used on your carpets, your rugs and upholstery as well. So with having Isla, she's been potty training as well, and she sleeps through the night, so it might be good on her mattress too. So that would be quite useful to try that as well.
Okay, so all that's left to do is put this thing and these products to the test. Me and Isla, we decided we're just having a drink of milk and a cup of coffee. Isn't it nice? But what would happen if we accidentally spill our milk and coffee on the carpet? Oh no, I spilt my coffee! Oh no, we spilt the milk! No, I've just spilt a bit of tomato ketchup all over the floor. What are we going to do? We've just used the Rug Doctor spot and stain remover without the machine. And already, okay, the milk's up, the coffee's up. It's just a little bit still damp, so we'll check back on it when it's dry up a little bit. But the tomato ketchup, you can see where it was, but it's no longer a stain. Do you think this worked? Yeah.
Now we have a lot of people walking through our hallway and muddy feet and dried in. Mud on the carpet is never good, and we have a little stain here which we have struggled to get out. So I'm hoping this will do the job. Now it loosens dirt in high foot traffic areas like hallways, kitchen entrances, landings, and even removes makeup marks, it says on the bottle. And the directions for the use are give it a bit of a shake, so I'll give it a little shake, and give it a good spray on the heavy soiled area, which I'll show you in a minute. And then we have to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes before we get the Rug Doctor machine out. Now we are I am so impressed with this little machine. It has done wonders on the carpet. After 10 minutes of leaving the high traffic foot spray, these are my results. As you can see, the carpet looks so much better because we had a stain there, we had a stain up that corner, but this is what we're left with. All this gunky water, and that is awful. But to be honest, I really recommend using the Rug Doctor, and the products are fantastic.
My name's Sophie. Well, I've got a problem. I've got a little sister who draws on the wall and the floor.
How are we going to get that off?
I don't know.
Shall we give these spot and stain removal wipes a whirl and
Yeah.
see how it works?
On.
Oh wow, amazing. A bit of elbow grease and these handy spot stain removal wipes. Fantastic.
That's fantastic. Wow, it's gone. Amazing.
It's the day after using all the products from the Rug Doctor, and they've worked wonders on our carpet, and I think the best product we could have was the high traffic foot products.
You got that one?
Yeah, I do.
That was quite impressive
That
because
was
we've
really
used that in the hallway and the stairs, and spotless. You could tell where you used that product and where you didn't after you used the Rug Doctor machine as
Yeah.
well. I thought that wouldn't work.
No, it's really good, and I'm really impressed.
Got the cat wee stains up.
It has.
You, Trouble, you, Poppy, weeing in corners. Now we can solve that problem and the smell is gone as well. I was impressed with, we did the spilt the milk and the coffee, and we cleaned it up with the spot stain remover, didn't we?
Yeah.
Where did we do that? It's right where you're sitting. Stand up. Let's see if the stains are gone. Are the stains gone?
Yeah.
We got the tree there. It was roughly there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's gone.
Yeah.
No tomato ketchup, no coffee, no milk, so that worked. And what impressed you in your bedroom?
I was happy because of the drawing went off the floor.
Yeah, somebody's drawing on the floor. Who was that, Isla?
Oh.
Yeah, of course it was. Yeah, so did that go really well? Very good. Yeah, and what did you find alright? Because you liked having to go in the machine, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I did. You could tell because I did it at kind of where you're sitting, and it cleaned up a lot.
Yeah, we got a nice clean carpet. Yeah. You can tell where we didn't do and where we did do.
Like streak kind of.
Yeah. So, overall, are we impressed with the Rug Doctor?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it was going to work. Rug Doctor's got a good reputation, but it worked better than what I thought it would. And our carpet was disgusting. Kids, Mum, it was disgusting. The water that came from that machine was horrible. Horrible, I tell you. Horrible. But it was good. It worked. And we're going to stay on top of this cleaning now. Yeah? We're going to clean this carpet every month. And again, because you'll be doing it more than me. And yeah, and you too, Darcy. Give me 5. Yo. So, left up to say, everybody have a lovely Christmas and a happy, happy New Year from us, the UK family vlog, and from Rug Doctor themselves. They wish everyone a lovely Christmas and a happy New Year too.
Merry